next I'll be going to show you the only the choker. Okay, choker basically ఏంటంటే మీకు in this we have used all the real items. We have used the rubies, the emerald, the natural pearl as well the saltwater pearl. Okay, ఏంటంటే దీని స్పెషల్ ఏంటంటే we have not gone with the earrings because to have a uniqueness in this particularly. So we have made in a lightweight gold. In this we have used 12 grams of gold only. ఏంటంటే దీంట్లో మీకు అనిపిస్తుంది చాలా 12 grams అంటే చాలా అనిపిస్తుంది, బట్ ఏంటంటే ఇది చాలా యూనిక్ లుక్ వచ్చింది, దీంట్లో చాలా యూనిక్ అండ్ ఎలిగెంట్ లుక్ వచ్చింది, చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ లుక్ వస్తుంది. ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ వీ ఆర్ యూజ్డ్ ద సీజెడ్ డైమండ్స్ with the combination of gold. It is giving a look like a diamonds, like a sparkles. The pearls we have used is a freshwater natural pearls in this. Very round, very fine quality pearl, very rounder, more shinier pearl we have used in this. It costs around 1,29,000. Very reasonable price and very attractive price. హాయ్ వ్యూవర్స్, ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ చూపించబోతున్నా మీకు ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్, డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ అ ప్రోడక్ట్, బికాస్ టోటలీ యూ విల్ గెట్ అ లుక్ ఆఫ్ బ్లూ సఫైర్, బట్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ అ బ్లూ సఫైర్. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ అ సెమీ ప్రీషియస్ స్టోన్, బట్ టోటలీ విల్ గెట్ అ లుక్ ఆఫ్ ద రియల్ స్టోన్స్, రియల్ gems. Okay, in this also we have used very light weight of gold, as well we have used a fine quality of pearls and very less gold in a reasonable price to have a to get a elegant and unique look on your wonderful occasions. You can visit to our store and you can have a look on other products as well. This product in a reasonable price, that too it costs only 1,27,000 rupees. Only 1,27,000. You just imagine, just you are getting a total look of the real gems, real look. Really, I'm telling you, you wear this, you will look beautiful and elegant. హాయ్ వీవర్స్, ఇప్పుడు చూపిస్తున్నా మీకు ఒక వెరీ ట్రెడిషనల్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ అ ప్రోడక్ట్. ఓకే, ట్రెడిషనల్ ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇంతకుముందు మీకు ఎర్లయర్ డేస్ ద మహారాణి యూస్ టు వియర్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్. వీ కేమ్ అవుట్ విత్ ద సేమ్ ప్యాటర్న్, సేమ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ అ ప్రోడక్ట్. దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ అ బ్రౌచ్ సెట్. ఓకే, దీంట్లో ఏంటంటే అగైన్ వీ హ్యావ్ యూజ్డ్ వెరీ లైట్ వెయిట్ ఆఫ్ గోల్డ్. As well we have used saltwater pearls, fine quality of saltwater pearls. దీంట్లో ఏంటంటే we have used only 11 grams of gold. You just imagine, but it's looking like a very elegant and very heavy weight kind of a brooch in this. Speciality of this is the saltwater. The speciality of the saltwater is you can exchange the set. You can exchange the pearls in future if you won't like it, or if you want to exchange the product, if you feel you want to change something, your pattern, so that you will get an exchange value of 85% at any moment of time in your life. So that is the advantage you have got in this set. As well, you can wear this on very special occasions like marriages and any other grand celebrations. It costs around 4,18,000 rupees. If you like this particular product, you can visit to our website, you can call up to our mobile number, you can chat with our executives, you can have a video, you can make a video calls, you can have a look on our range of products, you can visit our store, you can place your orders on our online this thing, and you can avail the discount whatever is applicable. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. and spending your valuable time with us. If you like anything out of this, you can just visit at any moment of time. You can visit to our phone number or our store. As I told you earlier, also we have got 13 branches in all over India. We have got a head office in PUNJAGUTTA, so you can visit to us. You can have a video call. You can go through all our ranges, whatever the available at our own store at PUNJAGUTTA, or you can visit to your nearest store wherever we have got available. You will get all the information on your screen. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.